evening.
My name is Shauna.
Shauna.
That's Leo.
My name is Leo.
And welcome to Shauna's World.
Yay!
Here we are at our beach home. Okay, it's not really our home. We're renting it, but yeah, we're renting a very beautiful beach home that is right directly on the beach.
Literally.
Yes, I mean literally. Check that view out, guys.
And it's hot, guys.
And we have an amazing view to the Lobos Island. Check it out.
I'm gonna start the video and then
Yeah. Oops. 1 second.
And guys, there's the island. That's Isla de Lobos. And if you can see correctly, over there, that's Lanzarote. And there's the beach here, what we were talking about. It's very nice. And that's us. Say hi. And there's Lana. And that's our little pool. And over there, guys, there's the jacuzzi. And here's where I'm sitting. And guys, stay tuned.
So today we're just gonna hang out at the pool, play a little bit of tennis. Yeah, and just enjoy the time here. It's really hot today. And yeah, you know what that means. Pool time. So stick around, and yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to hear more from me, subscribe, and put on that notification bell so you'll know when I upload a video. Okay guys, see you around. Don't go nowhere.